Read the envelope, numbers bleed, cold white letters staring at me. Yeah, empty wallet shaking hands, yeah, kitchen light at 2 a.m. I see worry in my mother's eyes, like she knows I'm out of tries. Promises signed and borrowed ink, trusted words I shouldn't think. I hit the floor, I taste the end, like there's no way back again. Then a memory cuts the dark into a pot on fire, the things we used to do. If I got nothing left to lose tonight, I'll bet it all on one small lie. The last line is one I pen, one dream still alive. I sell a taste of hope just to buy tomorrow's sky. The last line is from ashes to flame, one pot, one chance, calling my name. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, streetlight buzzing, midnight crowd all pops like it's cheering loud. Stranger smile, ask me my price, say this tastes like something nice. Someone films it, someone shares. Pop-up call says, can you be there? First small order, hands still shake, but tonight I know I'll make it. Every coin feels like a vow. I'm not rich, but I'm rich now. I don't need luck, I need my nerve. This little fire is what I serve. The last lightning, one I pen, one dream still alive. I trade my fear for sweat and overtime. The last lightning, I won't look away. I cook my future night by day. Proud of you. Keep going. We believe. From burnout plans and broken ground, I hear my courage make a sound. From borrowed nights to earn sunrise, I build my truth with open eyes. Woo! The last lightning strike my hands like the wave from a street side spark to a brand with a name. The last lightning, I stood in my state. One pot, one dream, and I'm not afraid now. Still alive now. Yeah, one pot, one dream. The last lightning showed me how to be.